Hello team, so this is your gym management solution which I am going to show you. Here you can log in as a member, you can register, you can check your class booking, and you can, if you forget password, then you can reset your password. Okay, now I am logged in as an admin. Okay, so this is your member list, how much members you have, how much staff groups you have. Here you can check members. Okay, like platinum member, gold membership and all. Here you can check your group list. Here you can check month wise. So like here's is somebody's birthday and the data will come here. Payment, member, staff attendance and all. Then we have a membership type. Here you can check installment plan, sign up fees, membership period and all. You can edit, delete, you can manage activities as well. Okay, here you can select any activity, leg curl, reverse leg curl and all, or you can add any activity as well if you want to add. Just select and add. So in this membership, that activity will add. Okay, so this types here you can set up these links. If I buy any cheap package, then I will get some activities. If I will get gold membership, then I will access all types of activity. Here we can set up multiple memberships. Then we have a group. So here you can set up a create multiple groups. Then we have a class schedule. So here we can like class name, staff name, starting ending time, locations, class booking fees and all. Here you can class schedule you can add. Then we have a class booking. So here you can check class booking all data. You can add schedule as well, like in which time they are working. Here you can check class list. Here you can add multiple class name, just like class staff name, staff assistant, locations, booking fees, date, time and other things. Then we have a nutrition schedule. So here you can set up your nutrition schedule. Select member and date, and here you can select day. And in a breakfast you can set up, in a mid set up like that. Then we have a members management. So here which you member already registered with you, that data will come here. You can check this activate or deactivate, you can delete, you can check attendance, you can check edit, or you can view. You can download the sample as well, you can add new member as well. Here are staff member data. Here you can check a staff member, you can edit staff member, you can create. Okay, here you can check all things, like any specialization is there, then you can select as specialization. Here are rules and contact information, login information. You can change if you want to change. Then we have accountant as well, which you can manage, or you can create multiple accountant. Then these are activity, you can update your activity. And activity category, title, or in which staff member I want to assign, and we can assign, or we can add a staff member as well if that member is not here. Then we have a workout. So here you can check assign workout data. We can select member, label, description, date, and date. Then we will select date and activity. Because of currently we had not select the data, that's why it's not coming. Then we have daily workout, which you can check. We can check measurement as well, which data we have filled. Then we have a store and product. As a gym, we can sell our nutrition product as well, so we can set up our product and quantity and all. Then we can sell our product. So if any user buy that, you can make invoice here. Then we can check event, or you can get multiple event. Then we have attendance. So here you can check the all types of class attendance, or you can take attendance as well. Okay, currently we had not, that's why we had not done this. Then we have a staff attendance. You can manage absent or present, select status, and then we can save that. Okay, if we search, then see that it like present. Then we have a payment. So a membership payment data will come here. You can check payment status, not paid or paid. Pay, you can view, edit, delete, you can generate payment invoice. Then we have an income expense, which you can check or which you can easily manage. Then we have a messages, you can check your inbox, or if you which message you had sent. And this is a compose. So you can select where you want to send, like I want to send to members, staff, accountant, and anyone. Select subject and message, comment, and then we can pass the message. And we have newsletter. Here you can manage a newsletter. Notice we have, so here you can create multiple notice. that notice will go to on the all user. Then we have reports, so here you can check all types of report data, membership, attendance, status, payment report and all. Then we have subscription history, you can check it here. Then we have some general settings like starting your gym address, office phone number and all. Here you can email and time zones and all you can set up here. Then measurement unit, member privacy settings, you can enable or disable that options. Currently these payment gateway we are using PayPal, Stripe. You can use anyone which you require, then it will help show you. Membership alert message and all, here you can check all the things. Exercise we have like in to which user you want to assign which role, so you can assign them role. So what user will see or what user can check, that in your hand you can set up according to you. Okay, I already show you the complete demo to you, so if you have doubts then you can contact with us. Thank you.